Good morning, 10th standard JK Sheikh Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome again in video lecture series. Students, today we are talking about Sanskrit subject, lesson number 7, Subhashit Kusumani. In last video lecture, we are talking about the Sanskrit shloks, and today we are discussing more details about the Sanskrit shloks and translation as well as expand the idea. So guys, this lesson is very important about the three criteria about the examination concept. First one, translation. Second one, complete the following verses. And third one, expand the ideas. So guys, lesson number 7, Padya lesson, Subhashit Kusumani. It is very important for you. So you can learn very nicely and prepare very confidently. Okay, now first look, Sadvistu Lelea Proktam Shila Likhitam Aksharam Asadvi Shapathe Napi Jale Likhitam Aksharam. Means the good person say anything in playful sequence. It is very much true. Why? Because the good person say anything, it is written on like a rock. He can't change his word, he can't change his behavior. Someone bad person is saying with the words also, it is not trustful. Why? Because the wicked person's words is written on the water. You know very well the words of rocks, it's a stay long time, and written on the water it is destroyed in short time. So this shlok is explain the good person's character, good person's thinking, good person's thoughts, saying, preaching, everything. So it's very easy for you. Second shlok, सेवितव्यो महावृक्ष फल छाया समन्वित यदि देवात् फलम नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. सेवितव्यो महावृक्ष, if you are on under the big tree, you can get very nicely the shades, shadows, the coolness. But sometimes if you have bad luck, you can't take fruits from this particular this big tree. It's okay. You have much more coolness and shadiness about that. So same way, this shlok is explained like that. Same way, the good person, the milestone personality person or the superior person is like a big tree. If you can friendship with them, you have a lot of benefits for him. So this second shlok is also accepted to expand the idea. So you can prepare yourself. आरोप्यते शिलाशैले यत्नेन महता यथा निपात्यते क्षणिनाद्य तथात्मा गुणदोषयो. This slok is explain the virtues and the bad habits, the limitations. How can the big stone we can carry very hardly on the big mountain, but when we are just we lost our attention, it's fell down in shortly. Same like that, our gun means virtues is a like big things in our life. We must be aware for each and every second for our virtues. Why? Because virtues is built up our character. It is just a second when you lost your character, when you lost your virtues. Why? Because this gun can achieve very hardly. It's not easy for us, and bad habit is very easy for us. Why? Because bad habits, it's a fell down our self, destroy our character. So this shlok is explained like that. We must be caring about our good things. We must be caring about our virtues. So now this shlok is very easy for you. Next one, Kshani Rushta Kshani Tushta Rushta Tushta Kshani Kshani Avyavasthit Chittasya Prasada Api Bhayankara. Some people is a very disturbing personality. In moment he pleased, in some moment he engrossed and angry. So this type of the nature, it is not trustful nature. So avyavasthita chittasya means this type of person is not trustful personality, because we can't say about anything, we can't say in advance about this type of personality. Sometimes he pleased, sometimes he angry. So this type of nature is not trustful. So this shlok is very easy for you. Kshani rushta, kshani tushta, it is important about the translation criteria. So now, यथा चतुर्भि कनकम परीक्षते निर्घषणम छेदनम तापम ताड़नेहि तथा चतुर्भि पुरुषस्य परीक्षते श्रुतेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा. 4 type of the test about the gold. Nirghashana, Chedana, Tapa, Tadena. Nirghashana means rubbing, cutting, hitting, and like a designing. So sometimes putting. So this type of 4 tests about the gold, and then after gold convert in the ornament. Same like that, the person who itself who itself prepare for some good person, good personality, successful personality. How can we test about that? So said that Shrutena Shilena Gunena Karmana. Shrutena means listening, Shilena means with character, Gunena means virtues, and Karmana means work. So 4 type of the test about the good personality. I think in Sanskrit, in Gujarati, Sajjana Purusha, Sadbini Vyakti. So this 4 type of test about the each and every good person. Which type of? Shrutena with listening, Shilena with character, Gunena with virtues, and Karmana with its work. So now same like that, and then after person converting the successful personality, good personality in the sage style, sage like a sage, sant like kanakam like a gold. So this shlok number 5 is very important for you. It is expand in idea. It is asking in expand the idea, and you must be write the first translation, and then after you write the explain about in Sanskrit, in English language. You must be write expand the idea in English. Now shlok 6, it's for the complete the following verses. Now remember it, complete the following verses. Apatsu Rama, Samareshu Bhima, Daneshu Karna, Nayeshu Krishna, Bhimah Pratigna Paripalaneshu, Vikrantakaryeshu Bhavanjaneya. So now Apatsu Rama, Samareshu Bhima, it's a very easy shlok, complete the following verses, so you can't going on the translation, but it is just we talking about that, we knowing about that, what type of asking in the shloks. Apatsu Rama. So it is a very important shlok for the complete following verses. In the problem we must be remember Rama, Samareshu Bhima, in battle we must be remember Bhima, Daneshu Karna, in the criteria about the Dan, charity, we must be memorize about Karna. Why? Because Karna is a very big donor, you know very well. Chanayeshu Krishna, in politics we must be remember the Krishna. Bhishma Pratigna Paripalaneshu means Bhishma is for the Pratigna, completely is Pratigna. And Vikrantakaryeshu Bhavanjaneya, in brave work we must be remember the Lord Hanumanji. So this shlok is not in the translation criteria, not in the expand the criteria. It's just be asking in the complete the following verses. And now shlok number 7. Prarabhate na khalu vigna bhayena niche prarabhya vigna vihita viramanti madhya vigne punah punarapi pratihanyamana prarabhya cha uttama janana parityajanti. Some person is starting its work very gracefully, but he left in the middle of the work, and some person is thinking, overthinking, and then it start his work and left down in the middle when the problem is problem is faced, and the who person is very much good personality, who is starting its work on time with good efforts and ending to whole work and get a fruit about the work, and he is not disturbing for the any type of hurdles and any type of the problems. So this is the lakshan, this is the means identity, this is the importance about the good person's work. Uttama Janah, Shrestha Janah means extraordinary personality, doing his work very carefully. He is starting his work with very effort. He can't disturbing about the mistakes. He can't disturbing about the problems, limitations. He carry on his work very nicely with effort, and then after he start very nicely and he complete his work very carefully. So this is the Uttama Janah, this is the nice person, extraordinary person. We must be create ourselves extraordinary. Okay guys, this type of 7 shlokas are here. So now you can prepare very carefully these 7 shlokas. Shloka number 5 for the expand idea, shloka number 6 for the complete the following verses, and the other shloka for the translation. Okay guys, so now our video lecture time duration is so much enough about that. In next video lecture we are talking about the exercise about lesson number 7. Okay guys, till then take care yourself at your home. Goodbye, have a nice day.